I have a contest coming up. So I was going to pick a select amount of people, but Jacob Williams was the only one to respond. Now, there's a few questions y'all gonna have to answer in order to win this giveaway. So I was gonna do it the other way around, but I changed my mind. What was the one thing I said I was gonna give away? That's question number one. Question number two is, this is a trivia question too. What is a Wagtail orbital? What is a Wagtail orbital? This is a multiple choice question. A bird. B, a bird that flies in circles in orbit. C, a swivel tool. D, the thinnest wide-body channel made. Or E, all of the above. Take your time and answer correctly, because there is some trick questions in there. So, let me read it to you again. What is a Wagtail orbital? A bird. A. B, a bird that flies in circles in orbit. Or C, a swivel tool. Or D, the thinnest wide-body channel ever made. Or E, all of the above. Take your time, and those who answer will get this mystery box that I'm getting ready to show y'all. So, here we go. We have this package. So, what do y'all think is in here? And whoever answers both questions correctly is going to win this contents of this package. So, him or her. So, let's get to work. Answer and don't waste any time. Macafracka, peace, peace, peace. Stayed on this tool, on a Wagtail. Closing out could be difficult at times if you don't have an angle adapter. But with this, you don't need an angle adapter. You can if you want to, but it's not really necessary. Because of this PVC, it kind of, soon as it touches the glass, that's the right angle. Because if you look closely, that pad is level right with the squeegee. Let me show you. Right with the rubber where it meets the glass, then the pad, then this. And if this hits the glass, you'll know that the pad is gliding on the right angle. It doesn't matter if this hits the glass, because it's not going to scratch the glass, you feel me? So this is perfect and ideal for what I'm doing. Now, watch what I do next. It's going to be amazing. Y'all going to say, that's a damn good idea. This has actually saved me time on the inside, and I'm going to tell you why. You know how up high, the windows aren't really dirty. They're more or less dusty. Okay? There's nobody putting fingerprints up there. So, under traditional methods, how we normally clean a window, we scrub, right? We agitate back and forth. But this one pass, you don't need to scrub. You just put it up there, you can squeegee the window normal. And that's what I'm saying. I will show a video about that, how it works. But this works very well on a pole, especially when you're ready to close off. Anyway, when you're closing off, you put more pressure on the squeegee part to clean the water off the glass properly versus squeegeeing it normal. It's just like any other squeegee. It swivels, and you don't need much pressure, because if you apply too much pressure, you'll activate the spring-loaded system. You'll activate the spring-loaded system that the Wagtail is designed with. well, y'all seen it. I can't do it because I'm using one hand. But if you put too much pressure, you put too much. You going in? Oh, it's locked now. Oh, you do? Okay. So when you do this normal, you don't need much pressure. Only when you're closing off, and that close off feature reacts with your applied pressure for the best closeout that you will ever get on a squeegee handle. I hope y'all can understand what I just said to y'all. But that's M.A.W. Monday's tips. Get one-pass tools for the tops on the inside for all your maintenance cleans, because it will save you a boatload of time. Outside, you might have to go a couple passes depending on the severity of the filth. But ultimately, the concept and the procedure is still the same. As I mentioned in my previous video about how to use a one-pass tool correctly. But alright, Mac-a-Frack, peace, peace, peace.